Good day, everyone. Welcome to Mathematics for Young Minds with Meribit Education Center. This is Master Eric, and this series is for Platoon 6. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us first review the PEM-DAS rule. What is PEM-DAS, by the way? Exactly. The meaning of PEM-DAS is parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But what is PEM-DAS rule? Okay, let's find out. This is the order of operation or the PEM-DAS rule. First thing to do is to solve parts within the brackets first. Second, solve multiplications and divisions. And lastly, solve additions and subtractions. Remember, you always calculate your answer from left to right when performing mixed operations. Let us proceed to example number 1. The quantity of 2 and 2/3 plus 1/6 divided by 1 and 1/2 is equal to what? Following the orders of operation, we will solve parts within the brackets first. From our given equation, we will simplify first quantity of 2 and 2/3 plus 1/6. That is, quantity of 2 and 2/3 plus 1/6 is equal to 8/3 plus 1/6. Then, the answer is 16/6 plus 1/6 equals 17/6. Next, after solving fractions within the bracket, calculate your answer from left to right. Since the quantity of 2 and 2/3 plus 1/6 is equal to 17/6, divide it with 1 and 1/2 or 3/2. Then applying the rule in dividing fractions, get the reciprocal of 3/2, then multiply it to 17/6, which is equal to 34/18 or 1 and 8/9. Let us proceed to example number 2. 6 and 5/9 minus the quantity of 1 and 4/7 divided by 3/4 is equal to blank. Following the orders of operation, we will solve parts within the brackets first. From our given equation, we will simplify first quantity of 1 and 4/7 divided by 3/4. That is, quantity of 1 and 4/7 divided by 3/4 is equal to 11/7 divided by 3/4. Applying the rule in dividing fraction, get the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3, then 11/7 times 4/3 equals 44 over 20/1. After solving fractions within the bracket, calculate your answer from left to right. So 6 and 5/9 is equal to 59/9 minus 44/21. Since 59/9 and 44/21 are unlike fractions, get the least common denominator, which is 63. Then 413/63 minus 132/63 is equal to 281/63. Or in mixed fraction, it will be 4 and 29/63. Now, in this part of our lesson, we will learn how to solve word problems involving fractions using mixed operation. Are you ready? Here we go. There are steps that we need to follow to solve word problems involving fractions. First, we understand. In this part, we're going to understand questions and given information. Second, we plan. In this part, we're going to create a model or an illustration based from the given problem. Third, we solve. In this part, we will create equation and then simplify it. So we have a number sentence and then we're gonna answer the question. Lastly, we check. After we got the answer, we will check it whether we got the correct answer. Let's take a look with this example. A container had 6 and 2/3 liters of orange juice. Ava drank 1 and 1/6 liters of the orange juice. The remaining orange juice was then poured equally into bottles that had a capacity of 1/2 liters each. How many bottles of orange juice were there? The first part is we understand. How many bottles of orange juice were there? This is our question. And the rest will be the given information. The second part is we plan. Based from the given problem, a container had 6 and 2/3 liters of orange juice. Ava drank 1 and 1/6 liters of it. After Ava drank, the remaining orange juice was then poured equally into bottles with 1/2 liter capacity in each bottle. How many bottles of orange juice were there? The third part is we solve. First is formulate the number sentence or the equation based from the given problem. We have the quantity of 6 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/6 divided by 1/2. Following the orders of operation, solve first the part within the brackets. That is 20 thirds minus 7/6. Get the LCD of 6 and 3, which is 6. Then 40 minus 7 is equal to 33/6. Continue the solution. Divide 33/6 by 1/2. Get the reciprocal of 1/2 and multiply to 33/6. Therefore, the answer is 66/6 or 11. There are 11 bottles of orange juice. The last part is we check. Since there are 11 bottles of orange juice, multiply it to the capacity of each bottle, which is 1/2 liters. Add the volume of orange juice Ava drank, and the total is 6 and 2/3, or 20 thirds, which is the original volume of orange juice in the bottle. Now we can say that our answer is correct. Do you understand, class? Good job! That's all for today, class. Happy learning! See you in the next episode.